So was out doing some trail riding, and all of a sudden it was down on power. Felt like it was running on one cylinder. So I limped it home. It never shut off, but got home, took the valve cover off, and this is what I found. Ripped here and ripped completely off there. Push rod still straight, and the valve seems to still move good. It's a Vanguard 14 horse. So try taking the rocker off and welding her up. See if we can get her back on the trail. Alright, got her apart. You can see it ripped one side of the valve side and started ripping both sides of the push rod. So see if we can straighten her out and weld her up. Alright, got it all cleaned up in the spots I need to weld it. All four corners have cracks in them. So I'll put it in a vise and weld her up. Alright, got her jigged up here in the vise, welded up, back in. Valve lash is set. We'll crank her up and see how she does. You ready?
Yep.
Here goes nothing.